Let's start from the beginning. This is ChatGPT. ChatGPT is a platform that is a generative artificial intelligence. This is the online platform, and it can log in for free using your Google account, and you can use the free version 3.5, and you can ask it whatever you want. Like this is student vocabulary. So when I click that, it gives me a list of student vocabulary. So that was quick. Let's go to, I copied it so that I can show you what happens in ChatGPT 4. Now, what I like is that it's putting it in the same one because I pay for the platform. It wouldn't do that if you didn't pay for the $20 a month. So this is what it's doing. Sure, here's your sentence. Help me study vocabulary. I love this. And then let's do Omni. Pretty good. And that's an easy one. So there are 3 capabilities: free, 4, and Omni. Now you'll notice that great for everyday tasks, advanced model for complex tasks, newest and most advanced model. So that's the difference. And if you're a teacher, I highly recommend that you get it, learn this, because if you ask it to write me an essay on the grapes of wrath and compare to today's society in the United States, I am a senior in high school. Use APA citations. Let's say you did this, and you are the teacher and you want your student to actually write a paper. I'm in Omni. Want you to see how amazing this is. And if you're not sure how well your students write, this is what could happen. It even references an APA format, the year here. So if I did this in 3.5, I just want to show you quickly. Now I'm going to put it in 3.5 and see what happens. And it even does a pretty good job. It's getting smarter. So I want you to know about this. Why do I want you to know about this as an educator? I want you to get in front of it so that you know that your students have the capability of doing this, and you want to make sure that they're learning the concept, because you're probably going to, if they read the Grapes of Wrath, you want them to look at what is the societal norms of the Grapes of Wrath and how it compares to today. And if they're not going to learn the social change and the differences and understanding economically disadvantaged, things like that, how do you know they learned it? Like, how do you now this, they could do this and learn it as an exemplar. And then you say, okay, so how can I make you a better writer if you're using this? So you as an educator need to get in front of it. Please don't accuse your children of cheating, your students of cheating. Ask questions. Say, if you're doing this, how can I help you become a better problem solver and a better writer? So that, because this is pretty good writing, but it's not necessarily someone else's writing. It's a group of people that are putting this together, and the GPT is generating it based on a lot of information. So thank you so much for watching. If you are curious and would like some more information on prompt engineering, I do have a free PDF. Go to the description, grab it, sign up, and you'll get that PDF immediately. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure you like, subscribe, and comment. Tell me how you're using ChatGPT to become more efficient as a teacher.